welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new vlog for today, and also we've got a new streaming device. Okay, so we've got right here is the watch. It's the watch on 4K streaming device, and it's a US compatible only, right? So we've got some Google TV. It is supported by Google TV. We've got some Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Hulu, YouTube, ESPN, Max, Stars, Paramount, Bet TV, Bet Plus, AMC Plus, and plus thousands of more. And it's also supported by Hey Google, built-in Chromecast, Dolby Audio, and HDMI. So I believe there is also a live TV on it. So okay. So without further ado, let's gonna unbox this up. Alright, so okay, let's go gonna unbox this one. Alright, here it goes, guys. So let's go gonna have to unbox this one. So let's go gonna have to check inside of it. So and then let's see how big it is. It's because this is the big one. So this is not the stick. This is like the one right over there. So let's go gonna have to open this up. Okay, and then yeah, gonna have to put that on, and then let's go gonna have to check it out. Okay, we're gonna have to check it out. Okay, how to open this one. Okay, oh okay, here we go. So we're gonna have to open this up. Okay, and then we've got the cable. Okay, we got these micro USB. Yeah, we got the micro USB. We got the quick start guide for this one, how to write that. Okay, and then there is the device on it. So we've got this on. Yeah, gonna have to take that one. I'm gonna have to test that one. All right, so yeah, and it's also right over here is we've got the HDMI cable. Okay, we got the HDMI. We also got the remote. Oh, okay, this is okay. We've got the remote. Okay, and then let's go gonna have to try it on. Okay, so I'm gonna have to open this up. Okay, okay, let's go gonna have to put this on. Right, and then here it goes, and then this go gonna have to connect it into a TV. Okay, all right everyone, so this is the continuation of the video of the unboxing, and also we're gonna test this, what is this called, I forgot, this on TV, right? On TV box TV, right? From Walmart. So here it goes. So here we go. This is the home. This is the home of this user interface of the on streaming TV box. Okay, and it's also they got right here is also a bunch of movies, free movies that you, free movies that you can watch. So let's go. I'm gonna have to, yeah, and we're gonna have to like this one. So they're gonna have some apps right here. So they got some Netflix, Prime Video. We got some free play, which is also the Google TV free play. So watch all the TV shows that you want. We got the Disney Plus, Hulu, YouTube, and YouTube TV and Tubi. Okay, I installed that one. YouTube Music, we've got some Paramount Plus, we got some Plex, HBO Max, which I also subscribe from HBO Max, and also I got the Sumo apps, and we've got this reorder, and you can add some apps. Okay, yes, and it's also you can watch movies everywhere. We got some free live news and opinion. We got some channels on Google TV free play with ads. Okay, and then we got some free live TV. We've got some recommended videos, right? And also you can from YouTube, and then another from YouTube, and we got browse games. Okay, I think I can play games. Okay, we got this one right here is the some movies if you want from this HBO, right? So since I already subscribed to the HBO, so yeah, I can watch some DC movies right over here. So we got this Batman Beyond, yeah, and so but yeah, Creature Commandos. I think I'm gonna have to watch it out that one. So got love that series. Okay, love that. So I love the comics also. Yeah, bunch of stuffs right here from the HBO. So recommended, right? So we got some Roku channel, and you can see. Yeah, the Boondocks. Ooh, okay, we got the Boondocks. Okay, and then what is this one? One Piece. What? They got some One Piece from Pluto? Oh, I didn't know. Okay, yes, I am so hyped for this one. And get some Sling TV here in Google Android Google TV, right? So let's go. Gonna have to check out some right over here. Yeah. As you can see, let's go to this. Let's go to uh quick settings. Okay, let's go over to the quick settings. We can see you can see the, yeah, all settings right over here. We're gonna have to check that out. So we got the display and sound, right? So we've got this HDMI, text scaling, dynamic range and color formats. Yes, as you can see, we got some resolution if you want. So I chose the automatic, so I don't want to change anything, right? So and then system styles, and then gonna go back to the previous one. We got also the network and internet. We got some accounts and profiles, and then privacy apps, right? We got some system. Okay, so we've got right here is the system is about, we're gonna have to system update. So we got a device room. This is in my bedroom TV. So we got the factory reset. We got the status also. The model is on 4K streaming box, right? And we got the all operative version of the Android or Android 14. The security patch level for this one is on April of 1st 2025, and we've got the Android TV OS build. Okay, and we've got also some right over here date and time, same as usual on the phone, language, Gboard, storage, shut off timer, cast, Chromecast. Okay, and devices. Okay, and we got the restart, and then let's go. Gonna have to check the storage. So how much is the storage? We've got the 5.1 gigabyte. Oh, okay, bigger one. Okay, big 5 gig, 5.1 gigabytes. So I don't know what this is. 5.1 gigabyte. I think 5 point. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to put some storage in here, right? So we're gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to add another storage for this one, right? So since I want to save up, I want to install more applications. Okay, we've got this accessibility, and as you can see right over there, right? So and then remotes and accessories. Okay, gotta pair the remote, right? And we've got over here the help and feedback. Okay, so we got the quick settings right over here. As you can see, we got some screensaver, Wi-Fi, audio output, external device. We've got the accessibility, the Bluetooth, and finish setup. So it took me so long to, what is this called? Yeah, it took me so long, right? So it's because, it took me so long for me to what is this one for to set up, right? So since it is update sa is it since the TV box is updating, right? So yeah, it can only be used in USA, right? So it's not gonna be working on other countries, okay? On especially Philippines or Asia, right? So this one right here is also a good one. So we've got this if you want to search a movies, right? We've got some search by genre of the movie, right? We got the home, we got the live TV, we've got the application, we've got the screensaver, right? So this one is a perfect one for you to have it. So I already have a Roku. I already have a Roku, and also this one right here is the on, which is perfect for it to me to watch live TVs, movies, and everything that I want to watch, right? So this is a good one also for me to have. Okay, this one is perfect. So this is the first impression, yeah, Jurassic World, yeah, that one. So okay, top selling movies. Okay, so I think this one are paid, right? So you have gonna have to buy. So I don't know if you got sports, right? So we're gonna have to sports. So I'm gonna check this one right here. So let's go. Gonna have to, yeah. If you want to see some, yeah, and then no sports. Okay, game shows. Okay, if you want to see some game shows, NBA, right? So yeah, you got that. Ah, okay, okay. This like one, like okay, okay. Not so bad for this one, Game of Thrones. So okay, so perfect. All right. So yeah, this one is nice. Okay, this one is good. All right. So alright, so that was so that was also so that was the unboxing video. This is first impression, and also take a tour of the user interface in some applications for the on 4K streaming TV box, right? So this one is a good one, and also this is a perfect family, what is this called, family TV box to watch, right? So they got some cartoons, they got some animes, they got some, what is this one, so they got some movies, actions, horrors, and everything free, for free, right? So this is a free streaming box TV for you to watch it on. Okay, so all right, so yes, that was my first impression. I really like it, and also I really love also to watch some more movies, right, in this on 4K streaming box. So okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, and also I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more, and see you again on the next one.